Robert Helenius need you on your box out.
Oh, I just I say okay, why it's me shall say everywhere. Sammy Catros or a journeyman. And he omo moku and to quite young for soccer crackfisu. And I don't forget about to any on a soku, Dylan White, and Alconun Bonity. They see and say, on say a basano, 4 days notice, per no nyae. And he, of course, even though Nyadi and no crack, show need into water about now, truly. Now, where Anthony Joshua, Robert Helenius, round 7, there's a right punch, or man, or knocking it down. Now, before then, Minya say, before this, na fans no buifu. Fans no a boo at Anthony Joshua. Amuhruno, Wasan, Unyadie, and you win nearby, say Babeshe. And he, Oshe, after the bout, Joshua, a post-bout interview.
Yes.
I mean, post-bout interview.
Don't look as exciting as I thought they would, and he was like, no, it's not that they don't look exciting, it's a game of chess. When you're playing, it's interesting, it's a thinking man's sport, and from the outside, chess is a boring game, but everything I try to do, they're trying to shut down, and why am I going to go in there and trade, and from round 1? Break him down.
How did it feel when they were booing you though?
Were they booing me or her?
Basically, I mean, the opposite is say, Oshe AJ ne bout with Jimmy Franklin in Crawford Ekanwasem's April Wanyadie and Yefe after the 2 losses to Usyk Alexander. And Tomo experience about explosively and stronger. Achese is back. Now, Oshe the bout, this particular bout now. Say first 3 rounds to the 4th round and Kuyi. AJ started picking from the 5th round kakra because of my Robert Helenius be move first 2 rounds, 3rd round. 90 the opposite channel say no person or wearing it down kakra a breaking down sana. I'll go for the onslaught, which is the knockout, which is done. Now Okasa Tia Omo share boxing, they are from boxing fans, almost like boxing patrons. Or say Obianja no kun tokwa. Obianja na say mano no rig munim nie eno de wanye ni. First of all, omo share boxing, omo we ni share boxing pa. What? The reason why America America, we a good boxer. And fans so America, they will support Manny Pacquiao has a lot of support base in America, big time. But Filipino, omo pe good boxing. Boxing patrons pay good boxing and found say US or UK. And the US and UK so the history of boxing. A great founding fathers of boxing. Now, my job because my bet you misika. Some about 2 hours now we about. My ambassador be this boring bow. To me be catch me say, Munya butrema me and Crawford should stay my back. No, you can't say that to them. Or almost sika na ma umami when free and I go by. Almost sika na ma who you are today. So what you need to do is to put up sterling and good performances going forward. Because and yes, on one case over a period of time, share ties in free bouts, not sharing about antennas.
Yes.
Difference room. So what it shows is that they want quality bout. This was a poor bout for him. This he could have ended around 3 or around 4. Don't forget, sir, only Dentewada trainer, Mali Scott, he was there at the ringside. The next bout Ubekun only Dentewada. We are looking at January. Now, I saw make a statement with this performance. I checked what I said. Maza, me bar for you. But this particular bout was so boring, and the my fans were frustrated, and almost started boo. So boxing fans boo at Ubio Hua, and then just say, "Enkoyi omeninji ombefu." So what I expect him to be doing is that on arrogance. Since or lose it to Usyk, no, wabe arrogant. That's not Joshua. And you wabe arrogant, kakra. Try to you fight even the fans. Who fight the fans, you lose money.
Yes.
They don't lose any money. And the Nyomo can say, Maza, Opek so kuntokwa. Allegiance we wasa. So show class, show quality. My who bibi say, Joshua, second round, big board, a year for one kasa image. So there's and the Onya can interviews no M1 on economic got the end there say a corner a pet as free as him. And the use a corner the way by or the Irish stout. Every man is on any. Irish stout.
Pay for everything. Pay for everything. The man who told me at the box. But or CP Kakra.
But CP was not snobbing, because on Casa as a papa fan, far Tyson. That's why he's snobbing. Conor McGregor going left. Now, so the next thing is, yes, or the man or CP Kakra. Oh no, but after that, he snub him. Or show sportsmanship or Hanum.
Yeah.
We are UFC former lightweight champion. He's coming back again. And we are boxing champion. So at least I saw show so you're matured, even though or draw umpenasem. But I saw chess so you're a sportsman. And you know so me poasem baby. And so we are not snobbing no koe. Honestly, deliberate not buy because of pes or can say on fino. Now, me free on I mean call into football. Dube bets, Buruka Swallows. Any Mansanda Wana Sundowns. Now MTN top 8. So the Kaizer Chiefs Swashe Cape Town City 2-1. Once again, Elderson Castillo. Boy now offering Venezuela by last week he was super. Wasanche say yes almost by excellent goal and Ashley Duperez. But the main one and the Sundowns ni Chiefs person share him. Almost share league last week. Sundowns share 2-1. They will meet again. But game way were interesting dimensions. One, go no a brand here offering Beverin a buyer. So see why the magician of the team. He's not a magician of the team because only Tembers one game where Peter Shole by Musakana. Only Tembers one and your good understanding and chemistry power. Lucas Ribeiro. Oh, brilliant. This goal was the pass was superb on goal so Tembers already 2 of it say yes, BB home. But game way 7 minutes and Andel Jolly, captain for Morocco Swallows, and your red card. Now don't forget Andel Jolly, no. If I okay, 2030 Titi Sarah Alia, okay, the Paris team, no.
Yeah.
Okay, and Oba Sanders. So he's moved from Sanders to Morocco Swallows as a captain. We saw Chibby. But unfortunately, Stotts now up Peja, red card, on it Tebo Mekwena. And not pay the stores no show you and no man a red card. Now after this, Rolando Mukwena coach for Sanders a substitution. Or the Matusi Albas, our free passport or cotton free passport a team no. Now the opposite and say because with the main explanation mind I'll continue.
Half time after they got the red card, I put 2 or 3 players in the wrong positions. It didn't work a little bit, and then I want to thank my players for.
So Kulisi Muda, right wing back, prior. And now quickly, or moving now Marcelo Allende, any Tabo Mekwena, so or the Tabo Mekwena eba central midfield. And now on movie or the Matusi Albas eba Hormo. And now PNU Mama to the left side. And now the Tapelo Maseko, our free passports buyer. Names of $13,000. And the Nuzuba Hormo eba fire poto. After the Morocco Swallows a bemo, Chegofasho Mabasa now playing better. Kagiso Mihlangi. Omo piabo no because structure no was some structure no. And the second half no one say enko ye no say mukakra or the Bogani Zungu ebe mu eda Peter Shalu be mena or the Tebo Samba or na Grand Kekena echo back to center back eti order by and so we no see me players no cho. I hardly see this or pa mucho say transition no affect the structure that my bin my bread and yes on bressa and or players no chose no mistake and from so fan but next time I will make sure so on yes I'm on brebium and for me that was very tough of a coach. Natural coach are all control and good relationship with his players because first of all when you're obliged to do that why Samusha Masha he takes responsibility for that. Now no match we know I did back question say Steve Confella I am assistant one Emma no say or no Mangobi marketing Steve Confella. Steve Confella and a coach Morocco Swallows. Now, I do 6-7 minutes. Steve Confella or confused. Minister Ope Coin Bias up so share Sanders into you. And the substitution, ne calling for substitution, 2 substitutions. Praise Umflanfa or say Obeso P. But at the same time, no, Oma said 2 substitutions until see Praise Umflanfa and then also Taco Mungleki. Unfortunately for him, no. On my who anti on it. I stand referring. I trust. Yes, something. Oh, Niamudi Banner said 2. On the person back who pay maybe a 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I back.
But I don't know what you do.
And the chair of a patch also. In fact, not pressure on us into who, but it's because of that. Now, Pesita by Sundance at Trauma Ali to pay 1.5 million for Pesita. And now Pesita Baha, but Ali have not accepted yet. they want him back. Don't forget 2016.
Almost
That shows you how serious they are for this year Champions League. So unfortunately, say Egyptian League not break a crunch or no chance say around. Say as to whether Ombetimi or not is a different matter. Now to tennis, Yakola no Onya Butreo. National Bank Open. Near friend Toronto Masters night National Bank Open. Tennis 1000 Masters. Canada, Toronto. Now, Jannik Sinner, the 21-year-old tennis sensation from Italy. Now, before then, Tommy Paul and Carlos Alcaraz. Now, very interesting because Carlos Alcaraz, after he lost by 2-1, 6-3, 4-6, 6-3. Now, this unlike Carlos Alcaraz. And he has to be careful. Afe no winning Wimbledon, Afe no over. He has to show consistency. Alcaraz in this particular game against Tommy Paul of the USA. Alcaraz poor returns of serve. He was not first serves was very poor. On one Kasa, one of the most athletic, quick players on court, any court agility, any coverage. No. Now he was playing behind the baseline as if Stefano Chipa. That's how Steve Chipa's plays. That's unlike him. Minimsa is trying to improvise and introduce new variety to his game, but in tennis you must make sure that one set make sure you maximize your asset before you add other things to it. Now losing this game by 2-1, there is indicated a lack of confidence. The post game press conference say a lack of confidence, but I mean Adibako that he needs to know that it's too early for him to start talking about this. I think now we're winning one Grand Slam on Drew Hokra. He should concentrate on the asset more Chanova Djokovic, Then Jannik Sinner, brilliant. Look, Ochre say 21 years now with Dino. And yet 21 years but or you want to say one of the finest guys on dream back way on.
Yes.
Now share this year, Ambro tournament. Or he lost to Medvedev. Oshe Carlos Alcaraz, Miami. Anything I was he lost to him. Then Oba Wimbledon semi-final. Or lose to Djokovic. But this now only Alex de Minaur we only near history and Nadamfo on board tennis they practice together.
Oh, okay. Almost
straight together. They do everything. They live together. So it's a friend, 24-year-old friend, a 21-year-old friend. And I'm going to share now. Also, the Danfono to change. So this time for business. Now SBT excellent quality 6-4-6-1 at demolition at Danfo. And after the match, ENT what he said after the game.
Now to our champion. Jumping off script for a split second. Wow. Unbelievable final, unbelievable ball striking, absolutely incredible. Yannick, you entered the tournament
SOMPA Sports.
At just 21 years old. You have now won 8 ATP singles titles, and you are expected to jump to number 6 in the world on Monday. Now
and well, number 6 is make cool cash of $800,000 for that. For this, it's 21, top player, excellent, good mover, quick, intelligent, ground stroke, top spin, with slice shots, brilliant player. This Jannik Sinner, watch out for him. Carlos Alcaraz, he look, these guys are going to come after him. Only Gaspar Hogarin, they are going to come after him. Until Oslaki and Asubeshi. What this gentleman has built, we are not consistent. That's the problem with Alex Demon, not consistent. But Jannik Sinner is real. Watch out for him.
Also, Mate.